Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and finally the Xiaomi Mi 8 Pro is available in the UK. I have been using it for a while now and this is my full review. When it comes to specs, the Mi 8 Pro does not disappoint. It has the Snapdragon 845 CPU and the Adreno 630 GPU, so you won't have any problems gaming. You are also getting 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Currently it's running Android 8.1 Oreo and the Pi update is imminent. The battery is a bit on the smaller side, but that's probably due to the in-display fingerprint sensor and the cool circuit board design at the back. In the box you have a USB-A to USB Type-C cable, a Quick Charge 3 adapter, and a USB Type-C to 3.5mm adapter, as there is no headphone jack. On the left of the phone is the SIM tray, which can accommodate 2 nano SIM cards. On the right is a red accented power button and the volume rocker. Nothing really on the top except for the secondary mic. And then on the bottom, a single firing speaker and the USB Type-C charging port with that red accent. No doubt you would have noticed the notch, and it is slightly on the larger side, but that's with good reason, as it has 3D face unlocking technology similar to the iPhone X series. On the back, the Mi 8 Pro uses a transparent glass back, exposing a decorative cover crafted using electronic components, making it one of the most unique looking smartphones in the market. Unlike other in-display fingerprint technologies, the Mi 8 Pro's pressure sensor only activates the unlocking process once you place your finger on the screen. Not only is it faster than the OnePlus 6T fingerprint sensor, but you don't need the screen to be on to unlock the phone. The Mi 8 Pro also features face unlock with an infrared camera paired with a dedicated infrared illuminator, enabling rapid and accurate face unlock even in dark environments. Okay, let's talk about the software, and this is where the Mi 8 Pro is different to other phones, as it's running a skin version of Android called MIUI. With MIUI, there is no app drawer, so all the apps and games you install are placed on your home screen, but you can put the apps and games in folders to keep everything well organized. On the very left you can have several action shortcuts such as a QR code scanner, Google Assistant, Mi Drop, and any other thing you want to have there. As with any other Android device, you have the notification tray with a bunch of toggles which you can customize to your liking. With the UI, there is no denying that MIUI has a bit of influence from a certain fruity company, and it looks pleasing. One thing about the settings I don't like is that it is quite cluttered. What I have noticed with the Pixel ROMs is that most of the extra settings which you may not be using regularly is tucked away. Now, having said that, there are a lot of useful options available. Take for example dual apps. This allows you to clone any app, and it will also give you suggestions on the top, which is mainly for social media apps. The app cloning is really simple. Just tap the button and you will get a prompt. Now if I go back to the home screen, I'll show you the original Facebook app. Then on the next page is the cloned app, which you can distinguish by the yellow badge. Two more useful options are found in the full display settings. If you do not like the notch, then what you can do is hide it. In reality, you're just blacking out these sides. The other option is to have full screen, and you will navigate the phone with gestures, and here you can see a little demo of that. So again, a simple tap and the navigation buttons are hidden. A swipe up release acts as home. Swipe up and holding will bring up the recents view, and the layout is different. It's not similar to iOS or the card stacks you would see on the OnePlus 6T. Swiping in from the edge of the screen from either the left or the right will function as back, and the gestures work very fluidly. The Mi 8 Pro has the same 12 megapixel camera setup as the Mi 8, which received a DxOMark score of 105 for photography. Here are a few photos. Images from the main camera are sharp and detailed, colors are pleasant and lively. You can also take telephoto photos, and they have great quality as long as there is plenty of light. Portrait photos are great, but not Pixel 3 level. Low light photos are very good, as you can see from here. The colors are captured very well, however there may be some noise. Moving on to gaming, the Mi 8 Pro sports Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 845 CPU and the Adreno 630 GPU, and it outperforms its predecessor by up to 30%. It is also supported by 8GB of LPDDR4X DRAM. The Mi 8 Pro can render the most demanding games at high FPS for an unparalleled gaming experience. Here's the Dolphin emulator in action. So should you buy this phone? In short, yes. And finally, it's becoming widely available outside of China. The phone is very snappy, the battery lasts the whole day, and it charges really fast with the included quick charger. I have not had any slowdowns and everything works great. MIUI is something different when compared to stock Android, and it gives you a wide range of customizations. You are getting some of the best specs available today, and if you were to compare it with the OnePlus 6T, then it's already priced lower in the Xiaomi UK store, and right now up to £100 cheaper from Argos at the time of this review. Also, in a short while, the Mi Mix 3 will be available, and it's going to be a really exciting year for Xiaomi going ahead. So that's the end of this review. If you have enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.